Okay, hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Laura.
Okay, Laura. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Wow, very good. How are you today?
I'm good.
Wow, good. Okay, are you ready for your next speaking test?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so let's go. Okay, what you can see on the screen is what's in the classroom. Okay, I'm going to ask you where's the objects are. Okay, okay, where is the board?
Is here.
Good job. Where is the computer?
Is here.
Where's the bag?
Is here.
Okay, which is the book?
Is here.
Okay, very good. Which is the apple?
Is here.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, you may now sit down. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, this is also in the classroom. I'm going to give you three things here, and you're going to tell me what object. Okay, what object are they? Okay, which is the book?
Book.
Very good, very good. What's the color of that book?
Is blue.
It's blue. Okay, so I will put that book here. What can you say?
The book is in the box.
Okay, the book is in the box. Very good. Okay. Which one is the computer?
Is a computer.
Very good, very good. Okay, can you put the computer on the desk? On the desk. Okay, what can you say about that computer?
The computer is on the desk.
Wow, very good. Okay. Which one is the rubber?
It's a rubber.
Okay, what is the color of that rubber?
It's blue and red.
It's blue and red. Good job. Okay, how many rubbers do you see? How many? One.
One.
Okay, one. Okay, can you please put the rubber on the books? The rubber on the books. Okay, very good. Okay, now what can you say? The rubber.
The rubber is on the book.
Okay, good job. Okay, which one is the bin? Which one is the bin?
It's a bin.
Okay, very good. What's the color of that bin? Color.
Black.
It's black. Okay, can you please put the bin under the desk? Under the desk. Okay, very good, very good. Now what can you say about this bin?
The pin is under the desk.
Okay, good job, very good. Okay, what is this?
It's a ruler.
What's the color of this ruler?
It's a
Color?
white.
It's white. Okay, I will put the ruler under the chair. Okay, it's here under the chair. Okay, so what is the sentence?
The ruler is under the chair.
Chair. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so are you ready for the next? Ready for the next part? Ready for the next part? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So in this part, you are going to read out loud. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay,
Oh,
go.
now with my pencil is here, and with my book is here. Look,
It's
book
here too. Look.
on. Thank you. Best.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.